Welcome to Daily IQ. Today, 11th September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. India-USA Joint Military Exercise Yudh Abhyas 2024 organized in. Answer is Rajasthan. The 20th edition of the India-USA Joint Military Exercise Yudh Abhyas 2024, organized from 9 to 22 September 2024 at the Foreign Training Node and Mahajan Field Firing Ranges in Rajasthan. Exercise Yudh Abhyas is being held annually since 2004, alternating between India and the USA. The 19th edition of the Yudh Abhyas exercise was held from 25 September to 8 October 2023 at Fort Wainwright in Alaska. Question number 2. ISRO plans to launch India's first space station by which year? Answer is 2028. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, plans to launch the first base module of the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, India's first space station, by 2028. The Bharatiya Antariksh Station will have 5 modules. The entire station, with a mass of about 52 tons, is expected to be fully assembled in space by 2035. The first module, with a mass of 9,186 kilograms robotic module, will lack human re-entry capabilities. Question number 3. India's first silicon carbide manufacturing facility will be set up in. Answer is Odisha. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi on 6 September graced the groundbreaking ceremony of India's first silicon carbide manufacturing facility to be set up in Odisha. The project is set to invest 620 crore rupees over 3 years. The project will be developed by RIR Power Electronics Limited, a leader in India's semiconductor power electronics technology, at the EMC Park at Infovalley in Bhubaneswar. Question number 4. Which city has secured first position in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan Award 2024? Answer is Surat. Recently, the Union Environment Ministry has presented the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan Award 2024 on the occasion of the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies, or Swachh Vayu Divas, at Jaipur. Surat, previously ranked 13th, secured first place in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2024 among 131 cities across India. Surat was honored as a National Clean Air City with 1.5 crore rupees, a trophy, and a certificate at a ceremony in Jaipur. Question number 5. Who won the 4th Intercontinental Cup Men's Football Tournament? Answer is Syria. The All India Football Federation organized the 4th Intercontinental Cup Football Championship from 3 to 9 September 2024 at the GMC Balyogi Gachibowli Stadium in Hyderabad, Telangana. Syria defeated India in the last round-robin match to win the 4th Intercontinental Cup Men's Football Championship. In the 4th Intercontinental Cup Football Championship, 3 teams, India, Syria and Mauritius, participated. Question number 6. Which state has organized the prestigious Semicon India 2024 event? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. The Yogi Adityanath-led Uttar Pradesh government has organized the Semicon India 2024 at the India Expo Mart in Greater Noida from September 11 to 13. Prime Minister Narendra Modi officially inaugurated the event on 11 September. Semicon India is a part of India's broader ambition to boost technological development, reduce reliance on imports, and foster innovation within the country. Question number 7. Swachh Vayu Divas function was recently hosted in which Indian city? Answer is Jaipur. The Rajasthan State Pollution Control Board hosted the 5th International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies, or Swachh Vayu Divas, on 7 September 2024 in the pink city of Jaipur. The theme of the Swachh Vayu Divas is Invest in Clean Air Now. The International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies is celebrated as Swachh Vayu Divas in India. The first International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies was observed worldwide on 7 September 2020. Question number 8. Who was elected as the chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? Answer is Amit Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah unanimously re-elected as chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language. He previously served as the chairperson from 2019 to 2024. The Parliamentary Committee on Official Language was established under Section 4 of the Official Languages Act, 1963, in 1976, comprising 30 members from both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Question number 9. Which Indian sport recently included as a demonstration sport in the 2026 Asian Games? Answer is Yogasana. India's ancient sport, Yogasana, was on 8 September 2024, included as a demonstration event at the 2026 Asian Games to be held at Aichi, Nagoya in Japan. Yogasana's inclusion in the Asian Games calendar as a demonstration sport was unanimously passed at the 44th General Assembly of Olympic Council of Asia, where India's Randhir Singh was elected unopposed as the Olympic Council of Asia (OCA) president for a term of 4 years from 2024 till 2028. Question number 10. Who won the men's singles title of US Open 2024 Championship Trophy? Answer is Jannik Sinner. Jannik Sinner of Italy and Aryna Sabalenka of Belarus won the men's and women's singles titles of the 2024 US Open tennis tournament, respectively. World number 1 Jannik Sinner became the first Italian in the Open era to win the men's singles title at the US Open. In the final, he defeated Taylor Fritz. World number 2 ranked Aryna Sabalenka of Belarus defeated the American Jessica Pegula in the final of the US Open. This was Sabalenka's first US Open singles title and her third Grand Slam title. Question number 11. Which country recently became the new member of the BRICS New Development Bank? Answer is Algeria. Algeria has become the new member of the BRICS New Development Bank, NDB, established by Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, BRICS countries. It was announced by Dilma Rousseff, President of the New Development Bank, NDB. With Algeria joining, the total number of New Development Bank, NDB members stands at 10. With this membership, Algeria became the third Arab country to be integrated with the NDB, after Egypt and the United Arab Emirates, UAE. Question number 12. Who has become the first NBFC to launch the NPCI's eKYC Setu system? Answer is HDBFS. Ahmedabad-based Housing Development Board Financial Services Limited, HDBFS, has become the first non-banking financial company, NBFC, to launch the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI's Electronic Know Your Customer, eKYC, Setu system. This system is built in collaboration between the NPCI and the Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI. It aims to streamline the account opening process, providing customers a faster, simpler, and more secure way to access financial services. Question number 13. The first ever World Dachshund Awareness Day was observed on. Answer is 7th September 2024. The first ever United Nations World Dachshund Awareness Day or World Dachshund Muscular Dystrophy Day was observed across the globe on 7th September 2024 to raise awareness about Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The theme of the World Duchenne Awareness Day 2024 is Raise Your Voice for Duchenne. Duchenne muscular dystrophy is a rare genetic disorder characterized by progressive muscle degeneration and weakness. Question number 14. Who has become the brand ambassador of Xiaomi India? Answer is Katrina Kaif. Xiaomi India has made Katrina Kaif its new brand ambassador. Earlier, the company had made Katrina Kaif the brand ambassador for its Redmi Y series in 2017. China-based Xiaomi is the second-largest manufacturer of smartphones in the world, behind Samsung. Xiaomi was founded in 2010 in Beijing by Lei Jun along with 6 associates. Question number 15. The first ever India-Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) Foreign Ministers meeting was held in. Answer is Riyadh. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar visited Riyadh in Saudi Arabia from September 8 to 9 to participate in the first ever India-Gulf Cooperation Council joint ministerial meeting for strategic dialogue. The Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) is a political and economic alliance of 6 Arabian Peninsula countries. Those countries are Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. This marked the first meeting between India and the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) at the foreign ministers level. Question number 16. Which organization plans to launch a nuclear reactor on the moon by 2036? Answer is Rosatom. Rosatom, Russia's state nuclear corporation, plans to deploy a 0.5 megawatt nuclear reactor on the moon by 2036. This project aims to address power challenges on the moon, particularly during its extended nights when solar energy is insufficient. Nuclear energy offers a crucial advantage over solar power, as it can operate continuously during the moon's long 14-day nights when solar panels would be ineffective. Question number 17. Caryotis piperis, the new species of jumping spider, was discovered in. Answer is Tamil Nadu. A new species of jumping spider, named Caryotis piperis, was discovered in the lower Palni Hills in Tamil Nadu. The discovery adds to the biodiversity of the region, bringing the total number of Caryotis species in India to 10, with 37 known globally. The species was found living on Piper nigrum plants, which are commonly known as black pepper plants. Question number 18. Which country has emerged as the world's second largest market for 5G smartphones? Answer is India. According to a new report from Counterpoint Research, India has emerged as the world's second largest market for 5G smartphones, trailing only behind China. China maintains the leading position with a 32% share of the global 5G smartphone market, while India holds 13%. India became the second biggest 5G handset market during the first half, overtaking the US. Question number 19. The AIIMS inaugurated a tobacco cessation clinic, TCC, in which city? Answer is New Delhi. On 10 September 2024, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, inaugurated a dedicated tobacco cessation clinic, TCC, in New Delhi. The primary focus of the clinic is to support individuals who are suffering from the tobacco addiction. As the third largest producer and second largest consumer of tobacco, India faces a major public health crisis. Question number 20. Who has become first Asian schoolgirl champion? Answer is Deepali Thapa. Indian boxer Deepali Thapa made history as the first ever Asian schoolgirl champion, leading India to 7 titles at the Asian Championships in Al Ain, UAE. Thapa won the 33 kilograms category by defeating Ukraine's Lyudmila Vasilitenko, with further victories by Bhumi, Nishchal Sharma, Rakhi, Naitik, Traushna Vinayak Mohite, and Gursirat Kaur in other weight classes. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.